My name is Ira Weissman. I'm a partner in the law firm of Obedin and Weissman. I've been practicing in Suffolk County for the last 23 years. I often get the question, how do I beat a DWI? How are we going to beat a DWI? The answer is not simple, but it starts with a good defense. The most important thing that you can do is hire somebody who, first of all, you feel comfortable with and you are happy and proud to have representing you. Somebody who has experience. Somebody who has experience in handling DWIs and trying DWIs. That's what you get if you come here. At the beginning of my career, I was fortunate enough to try a lot of DWIs and handle a lot of DWIs for the firm. And I've gained that experience. But to answer the question, how do you beat a DWI? A lot of it depends on the type of case that is. It certainly starts with a good defense. It starts with going over the detailed facts of the case from your point of view and then hearing what their point of view is. But in large part, it's going to depend on what type of case it is. So that if there's no reading, then you're talking about zeroing in on the police officer and what his story is, having opportunities to cross-examine him as the case moves forward, at a refusal hearing, at pretrial hearings, and being accustomed to knowing how these officers testify. The fact of the matter is that my partner and I have cross-examined hundreds, if not thousands, of officers, and a lot of them say the same things, and you get accustomed to hearing those things and knowing how to deal with it. And a lot of it is knowing how that information is going to play before a jury, having been there before and knowing which way to move with respect to what the officer says, what to argue, and anticipating things. So that it's preparation and it's experience and it's knowing how to argue your case in front of a jury. Now, how to beat a DWI? Sometimes that involves negotiating successfully down to something non-criminal. And that just takes tenacity. You have to work hard, you have to push. And if it's a matter of going to trial, it's knowing what arguments to make and how to argue in front of a jury. The most important thing is a good defense and feeling comfortable with your lawyer, because ultimately, if your case goes to trial, it's that lawyer who's going to be standing up in front of a jury. You're going to want the jury to like that lawyer and to be impressed by that lawyer, to be convinced by that lawyer. So it's important. I urge you to give us a call, talk to us, meet with us. Thank you.